I hope you all are fine at home and enjoying the festival days as well as you're learning together, isn't it? As we are learning about festivals, so the festival season is also going on. Enjoy with your family, be safe, but don't forget to take your classes, do your work regularly. Okay? So class, today is 13th October 2021 and today is one of the festivals. What's that? It's Ashtami, and we all know that Navratras were going on, and today we have been celebrating the 8th day of Navratra as Ashtami. Tomorrow is Durga Navami, and after that we have the Shera. Yes, ma'am told you about the Shera. What is the Shera? When Lord Ram killed Ravan, isn't it? And how we celebrate it? By burning effigies of Ravan, Meghnad, Kumbhakarna. You remember that? Yes. So, I'm so excited that the Shera is coming and we all are going to enjoy a lot on that day because it will be a holiday also. But, yes, enjoy your festival as I told you, but do attend your classes and do your workouts. So, what is the day today, class? Today is third day of the week. So, what's today? Wednesday. Very good. So, if today is Wednesday, what was yesterday? Previous day, pehle wala din? Tuesday. And what will be tomorrow? If today is Wednesday, tomorrow, Thursday. So, it's good that now you all have started revising your days of the week, isn't it? Now, let's begin with our today's work. Today, we are going to start with maths. What we did in the previous class in maths, can anyone tell me what math taught you about? Yes, we have learned about number 6. How to count 6 objects, how to understand, how to see whether the given objects are 6 or not. We are counting the objects and we learned how to write number 6. So today we are going to practice it once again in our notebooks. Okay? Before starting, can anyone recite oral countings from 0 to 20 for me? Yes? When we are saying oral countings, when we are talking of numbers, we begin with 0. Right? So let's start our oral counting once. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ऐसे ही बोलना है या 1, 2 ऐसे राइमिंग सिंगिंग करनी है? No. You have to say it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Clear? So from 0 to 20, you will keep practicing your numbers orally. And I have told you how you can do while you are playing. For example, if you are walking, count your steps. Isn't it? Mama market se vegetables लाई हैं and you are helping her to keep them. Then just count out how many tomatoes are there or how many potatoes are there, how many onions are there. Like this you can keep counting few things. Or if mama is folding the clothes, dry clothes ko fold kariye, just count how many clothes, how many socks, how many handkerchiefs. Like this you can keep revising your numbers. And when after playing with your toys you keep them, right? So you can count your toys. Like this, you can keep practicing, count and write whatever. Okay? Great. Now let's move towards our today's work, that is tracing number 6. So today we are going to trace number 6 in our notebook. So, who is going to bring out 6 fingers? Let's do it. Now this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 fingers. Now let's count how many drums we have. Isn't it? जब फेस्टिवल होता है ड्रम्स बजाते हैं हम लोग, म्यूजिक बजाते हैं लाउड, isn't it? And we enjoy. So I have 6 drums with me. Oh, मैंने तो बता दिया. Sorry. Let's count how many drums we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, how many drums we have? We have 6 drums. As we count 6 fingers, so we have 6 drums. Let's see how to write number 6 now. You all have these squares in your notebook. आपकी notebook में इस तरह से squares बने होते हैं. Now, you will write here like this. Clear? एक कर्व लाइन बनानी है आपको, जिसको आपको बॉटम लाइन को टच करते हुए वापस घूम के यहाँ पे ज्वाइन करना. ओके, लेट्स डू इट अगेन. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट and like this. One thing, many of you write like this. This is wrong. ये लाइन थोड़ी सी ज्यादा कर्व में आएगी, स्ट्रेट को नहीं लेना है. This one is wrong. You will not write like this. Okay? So, यहाँ से आप थोड़ा सा slanting मिलाएंगे अपने कर्व को and like this. This is how you will write number 6. Let's do it again. And when you are writing, say loud. 6. 6. So whenever you are writing the number, just say it loudly. 6. Okay? Let's say it again. 6. 6. And आप देख रहे होंगे हर बार मैम स्लैंटिंग में कर्व बना रही है. जैसे मैं आपने बोला है, ऐसे वाला 6 रॉन्ग होता है. This is not 6. No, not at all. अगर आप ऐसे लिखोगे that will be wrong. Clear? So आप जब भी 6 लिखोगे, you will write it properly. जैसे मैम ने आपको बताया, ये बॉटम लाइन है, इसको टच करना है आपको यहाँ से, और ये लाइन थोड़ा सा कर्व में आएगी like this. Clear? So what we have done today? We have learned to trace number 6. Clear? How we have done it? Start from a point, थोड़ा सा slanting में आपको आना है. Touch this line and go back again. Bottom line को touch करते हुए जाना है. Every number should touch your bottom line. आप जो भी numbers लिखते हो मैथ्स की नोटबुक में, तो स्क्वायर की जो बॉटम लाइन है उसको वो नंबर जरूर टच करना. Clear? Now to have a better clear picture, let's see how to do this work in the notebook. So all of you quickly open your maths notebook and let's see how we are going to do this work. Okay? So class, can you see how you are going to do your today's work here? You will first write today's date. As I told you, it's 13th October 2021. Then the topic is tracing number 6. Now, as on board, I have drawn 6 drums. Here I have drawn 6 books. You can draw anything of your choice. and after drawing you have to color them also. Clear? Now let's see how we are going to trace number 6. Okay? So you can see there are some dotted lines here. Let's see how to trace them now. Now when we will trace, you will begin from here. Slowly and slowly you will join these dots like this. So this is your number 6. Clear all? This is your number 6. Let's do it again. Six. And as I told you, आप जब भी लिख रहे हो, don't forget to say your number loudly. 6. 6. Like this, 6. Now this is again a dotted line which you can do yourself. Now let's see when the dotted line is not given, how we have to trace. थोड़ा सा right hand side से begin करेंगे आप अपने box में, and like this you will make a curve and like this. So this is your number 6. Clear everyone? How you are going to write your number 6 now? So class, now it's time for you all to start with your work and complete it neatly and beautifully like this. Understood? One full page of practice writing number 6. I hope it's all clear. Bye.